From this tutorial, we are going to start our Wonderware into SCADA development sessions. Okay, right. Uh, Basically, Wonderware in Touch has three components. First is Application Manager, second is Window Maker, and third is Window Viewer. Okay, so In Touch has three components, right? One is Application Manager, second is Window Maker, and the third is Window Viewer. Okay, so Window Manager consists all of your projects. Okay, that uh, means there are number of the projects you are developing, right? So these all are the projects are listed in the Application Manager. Okay, suppose you want to open the third number of your projects. Okay, so from the Application Manager you can open and close the particular projects. Okay, so there are for example there are five number of projects into your laptop or into your computer. So these projects are listed in the Application Manager. So Application Manager consists of all the list of your projects. Okay, Window Maker. So Window Maker is our basic development area. Okay, so whatever is the development you are doing into your project, that will be done in the Window Maker window. Okay, so Window Maker is the main area where you can develop your project, right? And that means I can write down like development area. Okay, this is nothing but the development area, right? And window viewer is nothing but your viewer area. Viewer means after development you are going to start the runtime. That means you are going to view your project in the actual scenario. So in the actual scenario how it will look like, so that will be displayed in the window viewer screen, right? So window viewer is nothing but your, in the automation language, window viewer is nothing but your runtime of project. Okay, so there are three components of the IntelliSCADA. One is the Application Manager, second is the Window Maker, and third is the Window Viewer. Okay, Application Manager consists the list of the projects. So whatever is the projects, how many number of the projects into your uh, laptop, that will be listed down in the Application Manager. You can open and close particular projects from the Application Manager. Second one is the Window Maker. This is nothing but the main development area of your project. Okay, where you can develop your graphics, where you can deal with the number of the tools like alarm tools, trend tools. Okay, some slider, some on off buttons, some uh, display of your well parameters. Okay, so these are the development area of project, I can say that. Okay, I can say that this is nothing but the development area of the project. And window viewer in the automation language, you can say that it is the runtime area of the project. So after development of your project, you are going to see your project in the actual situation. Okay, so in the actual situation, in the actual manner, how it will look like. Okay, so that will be displayed in the window viewer window. Okay, so in the automation language is nothing but the runtime of your project. Window viewer means runtime of your project. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Hope all will be uh, very happy to see this kind of happy to gain this kind of knowledge and this kind of uh, new application, means this kind of new application stuffs. Okay, and we are going to discuss the some new topics and some new development area like uh, um, you can say that how to develop the project and how to deal with the project, how to develop the screen. So that all of the topics that will be covered in our next sessions. Okay, so that's it for this video, and goodbye.